Welcome to the lesson Kinetic Energy. In this lesson, we will investigate how mechanical energy is conserved through the transformations between kinetic and potential energy. Which of the following sentences is correct? Is energy a substance that things and processes use up? Is energy not conserved because we are running out of it? Is energy associated only with movement, or are all of these incorrect? Well done. All the answers are incorrect. Energy is not a substance. It is conserved and it is associated with all objects, those at rest and those in motion. Energy is the ability to cause change or perform work in a system. What happens as the potential energy of the roller coaster moves from point A to point B? Does the potential energy remain constant? Does it increase? Does it decrease? Or is it transformed into kinetic energy? The potential energy is transformed into kinetic energy. When an object moves downward, potential energy is transformed into kinetic energy. Chiki the chimp likes to swing on a vine. As Chiki swings, the values of her potential and kinetic energy will appear in the bar graph. Let's release Chiki and record the kinetic and potential energy at 5 different points. (71.86 joules of kinetic energy), 488.14 of potential energy. We will add them up in order to get mechanical energy. Mechanical energy equals 560. Remember that number. (559.19 joules of kinetic energy and 0.81 of potential energy. Do you recognize a pattern here? What do those numbers add up to? (348.67), 211.33. What do those numbers add up to? If you've said 560 in all 3 cases, you are certainly noticing a trend. The mechanical energy always remains the same, no matter what is the kinetic energy and the potential energy, because both kinetic plus potential energy is equal to mechanical energy.